up, YouTube? I am finally back to where I can fish all the time again. And this upcoming year, I really want to blow this YouTube channel up. I'm going to start pumping out like 2 videos a week. But where I've moved, as you can see behind me, is the Kissimmee chain. So no better place to start pumping out some good YouTube videos than the land of the giants. And this place has got a ton of freakishly big bass. So hopefully this upcoming year, I'll have a lot of videos for you guys. I'm going to really spend time on my YouTube channel. I want to blow it up and try to get it to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So for all the subscribers that still watch these videos, I know I took about a year hiatus while I was relocating and taking a new career path. But I do appreciate you guys that still watch the videos. And for all the new subscribers, welcome to the channel. Got that on film. That fished. I just kept his face pinned to the mat, and they don't usually fight if you just keep them pinned to the roof of the mat. And that's a prime example. Just keep the pressure and go to them. Nice one. I'm out here on Kissimmee today. It's my second time